Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to set a nickname for a user in Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Tap on one of your chats. Tap on the eye icon at the top right of your screen. Here under customization you can see nickname. Click on it. Tap on the profile of the user that you are setting the nickname of. Now you can go ahead and enter a nickname for your friend. Once you're done entering the nickname, tap on Set. Tap on the arrow at the top right of your screen. And that's it. Now you have successfully set a nickname on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.